Welcome to Tech News and Updates channel, iTech News. OPPO Reno8 and Reno8 Pro launching in India on 18th July. The company will launch two premium smartphones in the Reno8 series, namely the Reno8 and Reno8 Pro 5G. Ahead of the official launch, a new leak has revealed the OPPO Reno8 Pro and the Reno8 5G price in India. According to tipster Subhanshu, OPPO Reno8 price in India will start at 29,999 rupees. For the price, users will get 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The OPPO Reno8 5G 8GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 256GB variants will be priced at 31,999 rupees and 33,990 rupees, respectively. The company has confirmed that both devices will pack a 4,500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging support. The Reno8 5G will feature a MediaTek Dimensity 1300 SoC, whereas the Reno8 Pro 5G has a Dimensity 8100 Max SoC. This further suggests that the Reno8 Pro Plus 5G launched in China will launch in India as the Reno8 Pro 5G. Please subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Please like, share and subscribe.